today. I'm so happy to see you. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Okay, now we can sing our days of the week. Let's stomp our feet today. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's do our months dance. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, friends, now it's time to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and today is number 15. Great job, friends. Today is Monday, June 15th. Okay, let's get our circles ready. We'll do a big circle today, so start all the way up high above your head. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play.